Welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian, and today we are going to be drawing Princess Elsa from Frozen. I love Princess Elsa, but we're going to do a different twist today. We are going to be drawing Princess Elsa as a basketball player. It turns out really cool in the end. Kind of crazy, but hey, we're a little crazy around here. So if you really want to draw Princess Elsa as a basketball player, then follow along. Grab your brushes, grab your markers, pencils, pens, piece of charcoal, I don't know, really anything. Make your mark on the paper and let's begin. We're gonna start with the eyes and then kind of do the hair and let the face speak for itself because it's all downhill from there and a little bit easier to draw once you get the face formed. If you ever mess up, like I always say, don't even worry about it. Sometimes the mess ups make your picture even better. And it's an easy fix if you want to start out with pencil or something and then use marker and then colored markers in the end. That's the best way to do it. So I've got some trivia facts. Sometimes I do the trivia facts in the beginning. Sometimes I give you the answers at the end and make you wait. But today, I love Frozen so much. I'm gonna be giving you questions and answers right away. So I'm actually getting these trivia questions and answers from funtrivia.com. They don't sponsor or support this channel at all, but I figured we could read some from there and have some fun. All right, here is the first question. Are you ready for it? How well do you know Frozen? What does the king use to locate the trolls when Anna needs their help? Well, he finds the map in an ancient book in the shelf in the castle, of course. In the movie Frozen, what is the name of Elsa's younger sister? I just told you it. If you can't remember it, you may need to see a doctor, but that's okay. Her name is Anna, Princess Anna. She's amazing. I like her a lot. The correct answer is Anna. Anna and Elsa used to be very close until Elsa accidentally struck Anna with her powers, of course. Pow! Right in the forehead / hair. Over the years, the two sisters, they drifted apart, but in the end of the movie, the sisters, they're best friends again, because family is family, right? So who usually says, conceal, don't feel? Who says that a lot? Well, the answer is Elsa, whom we are drawing. Elsa says this quote 4 times in the film. She says it along with her father when her father tells her to control her powers in the beginning of the movie. Twice in the song, for the first time in forever. And once in the song, let it go, let it go. I apologize for that. I know, I'm sorry. The movie takes place in the fictional kingdom of Arendelle, where the two princesses Elsa and Anna live. At the beginning, the two are seen in a moonlit bedroom as Anna tries to wake her sister so they can play. Here's my question to you. What does Anna say that eventually gets Elsa out of bed? What was it? What did she say that convinced her? Maybe if you learn this, you could convince your sister to get out of bed and go do some cool surfing in the snow if she has magical powers. I don't know. The answer is, Anna claims that because the sky is awake, she's awake too. And she wants Elsa to get up to play with her. Elsa, though, just wants to sleep, at least until Anna suggests they build a snowman, because who can resist a snowman? Together, they go downstairs to the castle's ballroom, where Elsa uses her powers, the ability to create and control snow and ice, to turn the room into a snowy landscape. They build a snowman and sled the magical snow. If I had that ability, I'd be in the ballroom all the time, skiing and sliding and building snowmans. Oh, it'd be so fun. Is it snowman? I said it wrong, I'm sure. That's okay, let me know in the comments. I don't know these things. So I already told you this, but where's the setting for the movie? What town is it in? The name is Arendelle, mentioned many times in the movie by a lot of different characters. that make it clear that Anna and Elsa are princess and queen of Arendelle. Do you guys remember that kind of, we'll say it, it's okay. He's a little bit fatter. He's that short, bald man who has like the wig on, the mean guy. You remember him? He was pretty hilarious, but he was mean. Well, did you know that Frozen is based loosely on Hans Christian Andersen's popular fairy tale, The Snow Queen? So if you're wondering, where did they get all this from? Like, where did they get this idea? Well, that's what it's based off of. What is the name of the apparent leader of the trolls who thaws Anna's frozen head? Grand Pabi. Großvater is the German word for grandfather. Grand Pabi appears to be derived from the word grandfather. Kristoff refers to Grand Pabi by name when he takes Anna to help him for the second time. Wow, look how this is turning out. How amazing is this? I like the little details, you know. Put a Band-Aid on her knee, put the shorts ruffled up, make her look like a basketball player. You could put some sweat maybe in the background. You can put some hoops. I don't know. You could put dodgeball in her hand if you wanted. You can completely change this up by one little detail. So you do whatever you want to do. What is the name of the talking snowman? You all know it. I know you know it. Famous cute snowman. The snowman everybody wishes that they had. The pet that everybody wishes they had. His name is Olaf. I love Olaf. He's so cute. All right, guys. This is about the end of the video. I hope that you've had some fun drawing Princess Elsa as a basketball player. A little bit different. I love it. I love different. If you love different too, make sure you like this video. I hope yours turned out amazing. I'm sure it did. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment, and I guess I'm gonna leave now. But if you want to see me again, I would love it. Make sure you watch our other videos, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.